In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a production lighting. Let's create a plane. Tab, to go to edit mode. 2, to edge select, and select this edge. E and Z, to extrude on the Z axis. Tab, to go to object mode, and S to scale. Let's select this edge once again, and Ctrl B, to bevel with mouse wheel, up, to add more segments. In object mode, right-click to shade smooth. Let's create a teapot. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add the glass BSDF node. Finally, we need to add a point light. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.